my goal was to learn about the lighted signs. And whatever the panel was going to be, because all the other ones that I've done are just been standard signs with vinyl decal.
Just interested in the cabinetry. Okay. We've done a lot of panel signage and have started, branching more into some cabinet signs.
I knew about the general how this was put together, but I did not know how glue is used and how it's stronger than the metal actually.
I'm not licensed for electrical, but this is the beginning for me to start understanding how the components work together and do it correctly.
We've absorbed a lot, and there were a few times we just looked at each other and went, oh my gosh.
Write that down.
Yeah.
Good.
So we appreciate the opportunity.
Perfect. Well, thanks for coming, guys.
Thank you.